Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to reset Ghibli fiber router. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, before resetting, I want to tell you only one thing, that is you should not reset your Wi-Fi if you don't have so much need, because when you reset your you can say Wi-Fi router, you will lose your all the access, you can say Wi-Fi name is changed, and your each and every information will be lost, because when you reset any Wi-Fi router, it will go on reset condition or factory reset condition as you received from the company. Okay, so there is a way by which you can say easily reset your password. When you can say when you can say look your Wi-Fi router on your hand, on the back side of your you can say router, you will see there are lots of ports available. There is also a one button which is like reset button. You can see very easily, you can navigate very easily. The reset is mentioned on the you can say back side of your router. You just simply need to press this button with the help of any pin, with the help of any needle. You can press it for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, 10 to 11 seconds, it will reboot and it will reset your all the settings. You have to you can say apply all the settings once again, and then you can use your router. Okay, so this is the information. Now by using this method, you can easily reset your you can say Ziply router. And if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.